Hello and welcome to Roosted. In this short video, I'll show you how to make skill sets more flexible and how to rename them on the fly. First, let's create a test event to work with. I'll add some skill sets to this event, starting with bartenders. I've just added two bartender skill sets, one with a start time set to noon and the other set for the afternoon. For the afternoon shift, I'll increase the workers needed to 7. Now, we have two bartender shifts, one at noon and one in the afternoon, with 7 workers assigned to the later shift. For the afternoon shift, I'll also add the server skill set. This means both shifts will require workers to be bartenders and server. For the noon shift, I'll add the supervisor skill set as well. You can see that the skill set titles are quite long. To make this more manageable, you can enter a simplified title that will be used just for this instance. Instead of the lengthy skill set name, workers will see this simplified version. These skill sets will function just like normal ones. I'll finish staffing this event with a few people, and now the event is set. That's how easy it is to change skill set names on the go. Check out some of our other skill set videos and contact a client success engineer today for more information. Thanks for watching.